Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video you will able to learn the fast trick of mathematics tables from 11 to 20. So stay connect with us till end. First, let us see the 11 table. That is very easy. For that, just we have to write the number from 1 to 10 in all boxes. So, enter the numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now repeat the same digits from 1 to 9, in this way. And add 1 to 10s we get 11. That's all. This is 11 table. Next, let us see the 12 table. In first step, we have to enter the even number from 2 to 10 in both boxes. We know the even number are 2, 4, 6 and so on. So, like that we have to enter here 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. In second step, enter the consecutive numbers from 1 to 12. But few changes is required to finish the table. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, next number 5, it is added to next ones like 5 plus 1 equals 6. 7, 8, 9, 10 next number 11, it is added to next ones like 11 plus 1 equals 12. Hence it becomes 12 times table. Next, let us see the table of 13. Here, there are two steps. In first step, enter the numbers 0 to 9 from bottom. In this order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second step. Enter the consecutive numbers from 1 to 13. But little bit changes are required. Skips 4, 8 and 12 digits. Like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, and finally write last number 13 to finish the table. So this becomes 13 table. Next, let us see the 14 table. Here is also two steps. In first step, enter the even number from bottom in both boxes. Like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Enter the consecutive numbers from 1 to 14 but skips 3, 6, 10, and 13. Like 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 14. So this becomes table of 4. Next let us see the 15 table. There are also two steps. In first step, enter the digit 5 in one column and 0 in second columns in this way. In second step, enter the consecutive number from 1 to 15 in odd and even order like this. First row odd 1, 3. Second row even 4, 6. Third row 7, 9. Fourth row, 10, 12. And the last row 13, 15 finish the table. Hence it becomes table of 15. Next, let us see the table 16. It also consists of two steps. In first step, enter the even number from bottom in this way. Like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In second step, similarly repeat the same digits from 0 to 8. Now simply enter the consecutive digits number from 1 to 16. Like in this order. First row odd of first boxes 1, 3. Second row even 4, 6 and 8 in last box. Fourth row 9, 11. And the last row 12, 14 and 16 in last box to the finish the table. Hence it becomes table of 16. Next table of 17. It could also be two steps. In first step, enter the numbers 0 to 9 from bottom. In this order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In second step, now simply enter the consecutive digits number from 1 to 17. Like in this order. 1, 3, 5 in first row. 6, 8, 10 in second row. 11, 13, 15 in third row and 17 in last box to finish the table. Hence it becomes table of 17. Next, let's see the table 18. It is very simple and easy. Here, there are also two steps. In first step, enter the even numbers from bottom 0 to 8 in both vertical order. Like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In second step, simply enter the consecutive digits from 1 to 18. Like in this order. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 in first column. While 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18 in second columns. Hence it becomes table of 18. Next table of 19. This is also easy. In first step you need to enter consecutive numbers from bottom 0 to 9. In second step, simply enter the consecutive odd numbers from 1 to 19, that's all. Like this order: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Hence it become table 19. Next and the last table of 20. It is really easy and simple to remember. In first step, enter the zeros in all boxes: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Second step, enter the consecutive even numbers from 2 to 20, that's all, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 to finish the table. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, sub and share. See you in next video.